Hello, I'm Marcus McCurry. I'm with DFW Fence Contractor. So we represent the state of Texas, and we mostly work in the Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex. Primarily, our install crews are going to install Western red cedar. That is our favorite type of material for us to install. We like the rails, they stay true, they stay straight. We like the post, we like to use the Postmaster post a lot. We like to upgrade our clients to using a coverable post. It's a very easy installation. We can do them on 8-foot tall or 6-foot tall fences. Those are our standard heights. We like to do the board on board. We like side by side. We also like to pre-stain. So we're going to try to upgrade our clients and also using a pre-stained board that we're going to buy from Master Halco. We can also custom stain our own custom colors. Also like to sell a footer board at the bottom. So it's going to be a pressure treated pine 2x6. It's going to help lift the fence up off the ground 3 to 4 inches. It's going to obtain an area for a weed eater to basically come in and touch the bottom of the fence, but actually not touch the Western red cedar. It's a great way to preserve the cedar. Also, we're going to top cap and trim a lot of our projects. So in top capping and trimming our projects, we're going to be looking at step and level on the construction. We don't want to build it follow grade, we want to make it step and level. We also do custom cedar gates. We like to put the custom cedar gates in with our custom 8-foot tall board on board fences and 6-foot tall board on board fences. So at the end of the day, we're primarily a fence contractor doing all types of fence installations from chain link to wrought iron, sliding gates, gate operators, swing gates. We especially like to install Western red cedar.